How to turn on live text on iPhone. First, go back to your home screen and tap on Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then we go down and tap on Language and Region. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Live Text. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once it is on, you can select text in images to copy or take action. Now if I open up an image, inside this image here, it has some text, so you just tap on this button here. This will allow you to select the text. So here you can choose to copy the text, or you can choose to extract it. So here you can tap on that, you can search, translate. So what we can do, we can use the writing tools, you can copy it to the clipboard, you can look it up on the web, search the web, or translate the text to another language. You can even tap on the share button to share it directly to another app or to another text conversation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.